PM Modi accused Congress that Mangal Sutra of women's take it Congress and distributed to Muslim. So what take on of yours?
I do believe that the Prime Minister needs to visit a doctor. I'm very worried about his health. I do believe that as the election is progressing, the Prime Minister is showing some very serious concerns, some very serious signs. I do believe that the Prime Minister has scant regard for Mangal Sutra or wedding vows. He has zero respect for the institution of marriage. There are crores of women in this country who wear a Mangal Sutra. There are widows of farmers, there are widows of war warriors, there are widows in Manipur, there are widows who have mortgaged their Mangal Sutra. What does the Prime Minister have to say about that? And Priyanka ji is absolutely right when she says that her mother has sacrificed her Mangal Sutra at the altar of this nation. Her grandmother, Indira ji, donated her jewelry during the India war. So what is he talking about?
There is one statement of Sam Pitroda, who is a Indian
overseas. It is Sam Pitroda's personal statement. It's his view. It is not the view of the Congress party. We have clarified it. Dr. Pitroda has clarified it. Mr. Jairam Ramesh has clarified it. The Prime Minister still wants to go ahead and make an issue out of it. Please do. But the reality is that in India, we lifted 27 crore people out of poverty without taking a penny from anybody else's pockets. It was during our rule that domestic companies became multinationals. It was economic liberalization brought by the Congress party. The reality is that the Congress made people richer, whether from the rich or the poor segment. And we did not have to borrow a single penny or snatch a single wealth away from anybody else. We've been in power for 55 years. We've never done something like this. Why are we going to do it now?
Yes, yesterday PM Modi said that in a rally that Congress is trying to take SC/ST reservation and give to Muslims in Andhra.
Which is why I say that the Prime Minister seems to have lost his mental balance progressively as the election progresses. It is the Prime Minister, it is his leaders, it is his candidates who are talking about changing the constitution. How dare he say about the Congress party? Thank you.